Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Shayan A. Munar, 36 years old, single with 3 children, ages 15 years old my daughter, and 5 years old and 2 years old my son. I'm living at Barangay Maligaya, Tumawin, Isabela, and I have 4 sisters and I am the second child of the family. I studied Bachelor in Science in Industrial Education, major in Food Technologies.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 years to a couple with 2 children ages 10 and 12. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, car washing, and my main duty is to take care of the children. And in Hong Kong also as a domestic helper to a couple with 3 children ages 10, 8, and 2 years old. And I do all the household chores like marketing, cooking, cleaning, car washing, and my main duty is to take care of the children, sir.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I will secure the safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir. I have tattoo here, the right hand and the left hand, and also I have here in my arm.
Okay. Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
When I gave birth to my first child, I am cesarean section for 15 years.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad to support my family, especially my children, and also to be financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My living partner and my in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep around 9 p.m. after my work, and 6 a.m. I wake up 6 a.m., sir.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calm, sir.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir. And if needed, I will extend
Okay. Can you cook Chinese food?
a little bit, sir.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug. Blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon. Out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear. Wave goodbye, butterfly.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you will. I hope you will choose me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person, and I will promise to be. I will promise to do my best to serve your family. Thank you.
Okay.